Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Axiom Trade. To begin, open Axiom Trade and land on the Discover page for the Solana view. This is a useful starting point because it gives you access to the platform's main navigation areas and helps you get oriented before moving deeper into the interface. Take a brief moment to look around the page so you can recognize the layout and where the top navigation options appear. From there, click on Pulse. The Pulse section is typically where you can get a more active, real-time feel for what is happening across the platform. If you are new to Axiom Trade, this area can help you understand how information is organized and surfaced for quick review. As you enter this section, just focus on locating the next menu item rather than getting distracted by all the available data. Next, click on Trackers. This area is helpful for monitoring market activity and keeping an eye on specific movements or categories within the platform. As you open Trackers, notice how Axiom Trade groups tools into separate sections so you can move between discovery, monitoring, and trading-related views more efficiently. This makes the workflow feel much more manageable, especially if you are still learning the platform. After that, click on Perpetuals. This section is where users typically explore perpetual trading-related tools and information. Even if you are only browsing for now, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the location of this page, since it is one of the core areas many users return to regularly. Moving through these tabs in sequence also gives you a quick tour of how Axiom Trade is structured. Once you are on that page, click on Predictions. This takes you into another part of the platform that may provide a different style of market insight or forecasting view. As with the previous sections, the main goal here is to understand how to navigate confidently from one feature to another. From Predictions, click on Portfolio. This section is where you would typically review your holdings, positions, or account-related trading information in one place. It is useful to know where this page is since portfolio visibility is often central to managing activity on any trading platform. Finally, click on Reward. This is the last step in the walkthrough and helps you locate the area associated with rewards on Axiom Trade. By the end of this process, you should have a clearer sense of how to move across the main sections of the platform and where to find several of its key features.